Hey there! Are you tired of struggling to get your website to rank high in search engine results? Do you want to crush your competition and get more traffic to your site? Well, look no further than Scalenut, the finest AI-powered SEO platform that covers the entire content journey from creation to optimization. That's right, Scalenut is your one-stop shop for all things SEO. It offers a range of features to help you plan, create, and optimize your content. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features of Scalenut. First, let's talk about the keyword planning tool. This feature is essential for anyone looking to improve their website's search engine ranking. With Scalenut's keyword planning tool, you can quickly and easily find the right keywords to target for your content. You can also see important metrics such as search volume, competition, and keyword difficulty. This information is incredibly valuable for anyone looking to optimize their content for search engines. Next, let's talk about the content creation tool. This is where Scalenut really shines. With cruise mode, you can create high-quality content in just 5 minutes. This feature uses AI technology to generate content that is not only high quality, but also optimized for search engines. This is perfect for anyone who wants to create content quickly without sacrificing quality. Plus, Scalenut's content creation tool is incredibly easy to use, even if you have no prior experience with content creation. Moving on, let's talk about the SEO Research Report. This is an important feature for anyone serious about improving their SEO game. With this report, you can get valuable insights into your website's current search engine ranking, as well as suggestions for how to improve it. The report includes information such as your website's top-performing keywords, backlinks, and more. This information can help you to identify areas where you need to improve and develop a strategy for improving your website's search engine visibility. Finally, let's talk about the Content Optimizer tool. This is a crucial step in the content creation process, and Scalenut makes it super easy. With this tool, you can optimize your content for maximum search engine visibility. The Content Optimizer analyzes your content and provides suggestions for how to improve it. This includes suggestions for how to improve your keyword density, title tags, meta descriptions, and more. By following the recommendations provided by the Content Optimizer, you can ensure that your content is optimized for search engines and will perform well in search engine results pages, SERPs. Overall, Scalenut is an incredibly powerful tool for anyone looking to improve their SEO game. With its keyword planning tool, content creation through cruise mode, SEO Research Report, and Content Optimizer, it covers everything you need to succeed. Whether you're a seasoned SEO professional or just getting started, Scalenut is definitely worth checking out. Do subscribe for more videos. And I think you will also like these videos. Check them out here.